ordered a different prom dress and this came. Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm here with Kane.
Hey, I touched your face this time.
I love it how you didn't actually touch my face. In today's video, Kane is guessing cheap versus expensive prom dresses, and this video is like slightly overdue because the Amazon dresses, there's always an issue. They always take forever to come. I also ordered these dresses on Kane's Amazon account.
So I actually paid for them.
So guys, like this video, give it a thumbs up, let us know if you want to see cheap versus expensive bikinis, and also comment down below your best friend's name because Kane's my best friend. Oh, I just punched my best friend.
That's okay.
Anyways, let's get into the video. First things first, I'm gonna blindfold Kane because number one, Kane Foster is a cheater. Facts.
No, it's not.
And number two, I'm about to get changed in this room, so like, I'm not trying to be naked. Even though I have like the windows open and we got the construction. Where are your eyes? I feel like you can see here.
You just have to trust me. I'll keep my eyes closed.
Nervous, scared, excited, confident?
I was confident yesterday, now I'm just nervous.
Yesterday. I'm gonna go get changed into dress number one. This is all the dresses. So I have the dress on, but I just wanted to say that I accidentally ordered some of these dresses in the wrong size. I ordered the wrong size in cheap and expensive dresses. So like, if it doesn't fit me, it's because I suck, not because of the dress. Get it?
Get it, got it.
Got it?
Get it, got it. I've already seen this one.
I accidentally left this dress out, so Kane has already seen it, but like, you don't know how much it cost.
I don't know if you guys have watched Sarah's other prom videos, but this reminds me of one of your cheap ones.
It's a little big at the back, so I like tied it up. But this is the dress. It's crochet.
Honestly, you look so cute in this. I got a gut feeling that it's a cheap one. I'm gonna vote cheap.
It's cheap.
That's so good. Now, how cheap was it? Do you remember?
I can't remember. I'll put it on the screen.
I did pretty good, guys.
I literally only ordered this dress because I tried on like an eBay version of it last year. I was like, I wonder if he'll remember. I think this dress is so cute. Like, if it fit me properly, it would be a cute dress. Moving on to the next dress. This is the dress.
So expensive.
I'm so nervous for some reason. Okay, you can take it off.
Yeah, Sad, that looks so good. Whoa, you're even treading on it. See, like there's
Very
like
long.
there's like a trail.
A trail. I am literally obsessed with this dress. This is like so freaking cute.
I love it. It looks so nice, and like just the detail here looks expensive.
Do you want to be my date to prom?
Yes.
I had to order it 2 sizes too big because every prom dress on the internet is sold out, so I have it tied up.
This one looks expensive. You just look really, really cute in this one, and I feel like you'd go to prom in this. I'm gonna guess it's expensive.
This dress is cheap.
Is it? No way. Promise?
I promise. This is cheap.
Really?
This is so good for cheap.
I can't believe I didn't get this one. Like, I feel like you've cheated me. Oh, you guys should comment down below if you thought it was expensive or cheap. Would you have guessed
Cheap.
it was cheap or expensive, if you were me?
I would have thought that this was an expensive dress because I've seen $200 dresses that are ugly and bad quality and see-through. Look at all the fabric. I just feel like this dress is such a bargain. So this is the dress. I don't really know how I feel about it. I don't know what to say, so you can take it off.
Why don't you like this one, babe? You look so good in it.
So big on me. Before, I like walked across our apartment in it and it just ended up like here.
Oh.
The dress is cute. It's like pretty big in the boob area. You definitely need to have a little more going on. What do you think?
I think it's so nice. You look so cute, babe. I love that Sarah curled her hair for this because you're like so ready to go to prom.
We are like matching right now.
Why didn't I have a tux or like a suit? This would have been so much better. Everything about it looks good quality. It's really long. You look so pretty in it.
If it's really long, it's definitely good quality.
Like nothing's broken.
Nothing's broken. It must be good quality. So your final answer is...
Expensive.
It is expensive.
But I feel like I'm a winner now.
Take it off.
Ooh, babe, this one's so cute.
What do you think?
Honestly, I've seen like a heap of prom dresses by Dating Sarah. She's done a lot of these videos.
Honestly, never went to a prom, but like, you know, filming videos for YouTube.
I can't see anything wrong with it. Hold on. Like, I don't get what this is. Like, couldn't they have put like the sequins the whole way
Oh,
up?
the layup, yeah. When I tried this on for the first time, I was like, why though? Like, why? You like can't even really strike like a cute prom pose. What is your final answer?
I vote cheap.
This was an expensive dress.
Promise?
It was so expensive. It might have been one of the most expensive ones.
I'm shook.
When I first put this on, I couldn't believe this. I just don't understand.
I feel sad in my heart because I thought I had this one.
It is so pretty to look at, but like this is a deal breaker for me.
If we are at prom and we want to dance.
This is how I do it? Do I do
Yeah,
it?
yeah. And then if I take a step
Do
this
people
way.
dance like this at prom? I've
Okay.
never been to prom.
Okay, and then if I push you this way and then I spin you, see? That
Oh!
happens. Bam!
Okay, I have the next dress on. Maybe Kane will do a little better this time. Probably not. Take it off.
Yeah, this one looks so pretty, babe. Wow. This one like looks bougie. Oh,
What?
this one fits. It fits, guys. You got the right size.
You were like, oh. I was like, did I have the tag left out?
Look at it. It looks really, really nice and it feels really soft. Oh, show the back. That looks good too.
I love how excited Kane gets about these dresses. She's like, ooh.
As you can see, it looks really, really good. One might say expensive.
Okay, cheap or expensive?
I'm gonna vote expensive.
It was expensive.
Yeah, this is so good. I knew it.
I love the back of this dress. It's so pretty. This is by far my favorite dress out of the whole video. We got the cute back.
We got the cute gal.
We got the secure boob situation. It's my favorite. Next dress. You can take it off.
Wow, Sarah, this is so cute. I love this one. Look at the back too, guys.
I love this dress. If I was gonna go prom right now, I think I would wear this dress.
Ooh, I love this one. This is like the cutest. Honestly, my favorite dress I've ever seen you in. And you've been in a lot of dresses.
Thanks, babe. If I was gonna go to prom like tomorrow, I would totally wear this dress. This is so cute. If you get this right, I would take you to prom.
Okay, I can't see any single thing wrong with this dress. I think it's gonna be an expensive one.
This dress is a cheap one.
Is it? No.
I got it on Amazon.
Oh, I actually feel cheated. And now I don't have a prom date.
I
Oh,
told Kane that if he didn't guess this dress properly, I wouldn't go to prom with him, so I'm going alone.
this is now an ad. Looking for prom date. Someone take me.
There's not even any point of me doing this dress because I feel like he's gonna get it super easy.
You're gonna make it harder. Why do you think that I could guess this one easy, Sarah?
I don't know. Look at
Honest-
the back of it. It doesn't
Oh, wow.
fit me at all.
But can I just say, you look amazing in this. Like, this is like the coolest dress. There's at least like $200 worth of sequins on this. You look like such a babe in this. I just love how Sarah's done her hair for
Grab my boobs.
I didn't mean to. Okay.
What do we think?
I 100% think this is an expensive dress. 100%.
This is a cheap prom dress.
No, don't. No, I don't feel like being touched right now. It's not, is it? You're joking, right?
This is a cheap prom dress. I promise you, I ordered a different prom dress and this came. It was a sequin dress, but this is not the dress that I ordered.
Really?
I promise. I ordered a completely different dress. I'll put a photo of it just here. This is the dress that I ordered and this came. I honestly thought that Kane was gonna say that this was a cheap dress. Like, I was shocked that you thought this was expensive.
I'm doing so bad at this. Oh wow! Babe, this looks so cute! This one's amazing! Look at it! You look so cool in it. It looks like you're about to go to an event. It comes with a belt.
It comes with a belt.
A belt coming with a dress, that's at least a few dollars. There has never once been a belt in any cheap prom dress that we've had.
I feel like in all the other prom dresses defense, it's kind of weird to have a belt with your dress. Like, it's not normal. It's not weird, but it's not normal.
That sounds like someone that's trying to throw me off. I don't think it's cheap. I don't think it's expensive. I know it's expensive.
So you're locking it in.
Locking it in.
This dress is expensive.
Yes, I knew it. It's so good. You gonna keep it?
Why would I think?
Because, come on, you look so good in it. Comment down below, should Sarah keep the dress?
I honestly have nowhere to wear this dress.
Would you wear this to prom?
I would wear this to prom. I think this is cute.
Yeah, me too.
You would wear it to prom.
No, I wouldn't. I think you would.
Kane would wear it to prom.
Guys, Sarah is so bad. She just walked in the room and I didn't have my blindfold on.
So this is the dress. I like didn't even think about it. I just like walked out and didn't ask if Kane had the blindfold on. This is the dress.
There's a lot of detail in it. It looks expensive. There'll be an overlay of the leg thing. I don't know how to explain that, but
It's got like a, oh, I can't lift my leg. You'll see
okay,
it.
yeah, you'll see. I think this one's gonna be expensive again.
This one is cheap.
Ow.
I thought that you would know this one. Like, it's just like, it's a lot. Comment down below if you guys think Kane did well. I won't be commenting.
I can't even comment myself.
Also, let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more videos like this, and also let me know your best friend's name, and just like, honestly,
Say
come
hey.
say hey. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day, and if you guys aren't following Kane on Instagram, follow him. I took his newest Instagram photo, and I'm proud. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day though, and we'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.